All right, so in this video, we're going to talk about adjusting the Canva templates that have come with your website template so that you can easily insert them into your AttractWell or Get Oiling website template. So I've opened up all the Canva templates that came with this page template. So I'm going to just start with each one and kind of give you 1, 2, 3 on how to kind of get this to look like your brand. So if you want to use a logo that is built in, you can put your own logo in, or you can just adjust this. And just some tips on Canva, if you want a totally different logo, they have a lot of logo templates in here. So you can just type in, what kind of logo do you want? Do you want something modern? Then you can pull these up and then tweak them to suit your brand. But these ones that are in here, if you just click on them, you can click on this. So if you're not doing photography, maybe you're doing coaching. And these are letters, actually. So it's supposed to be like initials. So maybe your initial is G. Then you can make those adjustments and make it look how you want. So maybe you kind of do something like this. And then this little curly Q is, meant to be something a bit fancy. So you could take that out if you don't like it. Maybe leave it like that. I think that actually looks pretty respectable on its own. And I'd probably make this a bit bigger if I was doing it. So you make the adjustments how you need. And then when it comes to the color, then you can switch it to one of your brand colors. So I'll just choose one of my actual brand colors so you can see how to change it. Once you have it the way you want, then you can download it. I would download this one as a PNG with a transparent background. PNG, transparent background, and I'll just do page 1. Download that. There we go. And then in this one here, you can go through and adjust the text to suit your offerings and what you want to be offering on your site. So first I'll adjust the color and I'll make it light blue again. And we'll say, maybe we have one-on-one coaching, because I did the logo was coaching. I'm going to do that in all caps. And then maybe we duplicate this and we do group coaching and group coaching, group coaching, 8-week program. And we'll do a free consultation, 30-minute. Okay, so say, for example, that those were your kind of 3 main things you wanted to have on your page. So I'm going to download those just as a PNG as they are, and I'll just grab 1, 2, 3 and download those. So then I have those ready to go. And then you can see down here, this is like an About You section. So you can simply drag in your photo. So if you had a photo of yourself, I don't think I have a photo of me. Oh, yes, I do. Look at that. You can put your own photo in there, and you can adjust the plants in the background. If you don't like the plants, you could just take them out, just like something like that, if you wanted, and add something else behind. But I'll leave those as is, and I'm going to download this one again as a PNG with transparent background. So we're going to download transparent background, page 5. And then I'll just let that in there. This is for a lead magnet, if you have a lead magnet set up, and these are for testimonials. So if you have testimonials, you can just drag the photos of your testimonials into these circles and then download them again with transparent background. And for the freebie here, there's another template that gives you this, and this is really to create a front cover, as it were, for your freebie. So if you're creating a guide or a printable or even a mini course or something, you can then adjust this to be your colors. So I'll just make some tweaks on this. Let's see. Let's do something like that. And you can put the author's name in. And we'll call this Free Guide to Using Templates. Build your website fast. Okay, so if that was my freebie, I might do something like that. You could also do the second page here if you wanted, but I'll just show you how to do this first page. I'm going to download that as a JPEG, and I could probably make it a little bit smaller. And I'll just download that first page. If you wanted to do your entire freebie in this template, this is laid out to be like an ebook or a free guide. So you could use the whole template as well if you wanted. So once you have that downloaded as a graphic, you can go back to this one and just upload that graphic into your Canva and then drag it over here. Okay, and you could drag it into the phone one as well. It doesn't look as good on the phone one, as you can see. So that's why that second page was in there. But you could adjust what's in this version, or you could take the phone out and just have the template there, depending on how you wanted it to look. So now I'm going to download this as a PNG with transparent background. This is page 6. All right, so now that one's done. And we've got our testimonials. I'm going to leave these two as is because I feel like those are fairly self-explanatory. And then we have our backgrounds here. So you can see that the backgrounds, these different graphics are going to show up in your site. So this big background here, the green doesn't really suit the blue that I'm using. So maybe I want blue flowers. I mean, if you don't want flowers, that's totally fine. I'm just trying to find a different one that might work as a good background color. You could do something like that, might look nice. That one kind of looks a bit closer to my blue. Yeah, I don't mind that one either. I'm going to say blue office flowers and see if we get a nice photo with an office backdrop. Okay, so we have these ones with blue flowers. Maybe this one with the blue mug. I'm going to go with that, okay? Because it has the blue mug and it's a little bit different of a look. So I'm going to download this as my main header. So download it as a JPEG. I'm going to make the quality large and I might make it more pixels because it's going to be big. We'll see how it ends up looking. So this is going to be page 6 and I'm just going to download that. All right, just got to do that one more time. JPEG, and there we go, make it a bit bigger, and download. Okay, so we're almost at the point now where we have most of the elements for the page. So let's go into the page template in the next video, and I'll show you how to pop all of these things into the page template.